Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to go on a ride along. Today I'm going to take you guys with me. Today we're going to do like a hot shot, but with a little bit extra. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship. We're cruising through the galaxy at 30 miles an hour. All right, today I'm on my way right now to Toyota to drop off my truck, to get an oil change and get it prepped for a Colorado trip. I'm also gonna go do a hot shot with my brother, so that's awesome. That's coming up. And then in here, all right, in this right here is cash. And that cash was originally meant for kind of like my dream surfboard that I was gonna buy in California in about a week and a half or something like that. So it's all in here. And you know, surfboards, really nice ones, aren't cheap. They're somewhere between $1,000 to $2,000. But anyways, I've been saving up, and super chat money from the channel. I've been saving 30%, right around 30% of all my Craigslist deals since January. So there's money in here, and originally I was gonna buy a surfboard with it. But the more I thought about it, and I'm still gonna get a surfboard when I get down to Cali. I'm gonna get a, you know, I'm just not gonna get like a super awesome one, but I will get one. But a deal came up on Facebook, and it's a mountain bike, and I ride all the time. And as I thought about it more, I was like, man, I can get my dream surfboard, but I would surf, you know, 3 or 4 times a year. Or I could get this really insane deal on a mountain bike, which is a really insane deal. I mean, I don't know, I've kind of beat this guy over the head for the past 4 days on this deal. And the deal was originally $2,600, and now it's like down to $2,300 or something like that. And you might be thinking, that's a lot for a bike, but trust me, when you mountain bike, it starts getting pretty costly, you know? And so I might go look at this bike today and see if I want it. But, you know, I ride all the time. I ride 3 to 4 times a week, maybe 5 times a week. And it's something it's something that's not like a phase with me. Like, I've stuck with it for the past, you know, what seems to be 2 decades. We're gonna look at that bike today. We're gonna go on a hot shot, and that's it. And I got some cheddar in this little thing right here. It's a beautiful day in Austin, Texas. Some sort of traffic, I don't know why. Whoa, Teslas, cool. What's up, Tesla 3s? Well, a lot of Tesla 3s. This has to be the ugliest rim on earth. That is it right there. I'm sorry. This is a 2018 car. Look at that rim, that's so ugly. Ew. Look at all the Model 3s, ew. But it is a Tesla dealership, yay. All right, just dropped off the truck. Sitting here in Toyota, Austin, Charles Mond. This is my favorite Toyota dealership. We got E-Money waiting for me. What's up, E-Money?
All right, you ready?
All right, is there anything cool inside the showroom?
Yeah.
Let's go look at it.
I already did.
Well, I didn't see it.
Go take a look.
All right, I will, here. See, this is where the problem occurs. You come in for maintenance, and then you go into the showroom, and then you're like, oh my gosh. And then they try to sell you on whatever that car is, but I'm not gonna buy it. That's how I got this thing that I drive now, because I went in for some maintenance on my FJ Cruiser, and they're like, well, we can put you in this thing. And I was like, oh really, you can, cool. And I bought it, and I was like, no. Anyway.
Yeah, you'll see it, and you'll be like, that's freaking awesome, but it's probably not as cool as what you got.
Okay, but it's cool though? All right, I'll take a look real quick. Stupid boy stuff right here. 4x4 boy stuff, but you know what? Let's see what Emerson thinks. Oh, okay, never mind, I see it. Wow. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Okay, that's pretty cool. I think he was talking about this thing right here. This is pretty sweet too. Gosh. All right, that's pretty sweet too. Man. Let's get out of here. I saw some cool stuff though. He's right.
I do like that one. That one's actually 36 grand.
Oh, the sky blue FJ40 in there, that old like Jeep looking thing is 36 grand?
Yeah, 36 grand.
God, it's like fully restored too.
It's from like in the 1960s.
Guys, what do you think of that? I mean, isn't that pretty? That FJ40 is so pretty. I wonder what year that thing is. Anyways.
Like 67 or something.
Oh my gosh.
I was looking at it like the other day on their website.
So awesome. All right, so we are on our way to Assistance League of Austin. It's a thrift store that opens in like 10 minutes or so. We're gonna actually be there on time. I have found some great things at this place, so that should be awesome. After that, we might go look at the bike, and then after that, a couple more thrift stores, complete the hot shot, that kind of stuff. All right, we're here at the Assistance League. It's around the corner, and the line is building up. Let's go, man. We gotta go. We gotta hurry up. Look at this line. This line is not playing around. There we go. So, line situation. We're in much better standing than we were last time, right? We're a little closer?
Yeah, it's been a while since we were.
Yeah. E-money, you smell it?
Yeah, that was cheesy.
Good morning. Good thing.
That was him, yeah.
Morning. Good morning.
Okay, E-money and I just hit like the bag jackpot. This is not even kidding. He's got some in his hand too. Got some serious finds here. All right, so we're considering getting this old Lego set, this golf bag, 3 Eagle Creek bags, maybe this Lego architecture thing right here. So we're taking a look right now. Here we go. All right, E-money just paid $100 for all 3 of these. And I found something special right here. Oh my gosh, that was insane. Oh my God, I cannot believe. I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. That was a crazy epic bag find. Dude, bags to bucks. That's it, man. We did it. We did it. All right, so here, she sold it to me for half off.
What?
Yeah, dude. So we had this for 15 bucks, Lego Architecture Studio.
Nice.
210.50 is the number. In used conditions, about 115, 120. As long as about 95 or more % of pieces are here. That's going in there. That's on eBay. Check this out. Bags to bucks. A Toomey rolling luggage right here. This is probably going to sell for around.
Look at this.
120.
Hardly any wear on that.
Yeah, this is probably going to sell for around maybe 120 to 200. It's really kind of iffy, but this is an amazing find.
$6.
$6. And then we spent 100 on that Eagle Creek rolling bag, which is huge. This 22, which is the most expensive one out of all of them, and then this one right here, all rolling bags. Right, so we're actually gonna go check out the bike, but guys, that's exactly why the Bags to Bucks guide works. Right then, right there. That's some serious money. That's hundreds and hundreds of dollars right there. And I had to pop and make those decisions within like 10 seconds. When I went to the bag section, there were all these other people around me. I had to make decisions within like 10 seconds on what to buy. Luckily Emerson was right by my side. And I was like, Emerson, grab that one, don't let it go, grab that one, don't let it go. And that's how he did it. And that's how fast sometimes the bag game is.
You wouldn't have been able to snag all of those.
I wouldn't have been able to snag all of them just by myself, but I would have been able to get the good ones. And the key takeaway here is be prepared before you get in that situation. So the bag guide is awesome. I'm telling you right now, there's no better way to toot the bag guide than what you just saw on the film. That's some serious cash. Anyways, I'll put it as the first link down below, the first comment down below. You guys can make the decision whether you want to be prepared to get that kind of money or not. It's really up to you. But yeah, you definitely don't want to be researching stuff in that situation. You want to be popping on things and just buying things and getting out of there as fast as possible. So I just sent an offer to a person that offered me $100 for a bag that I think I was like 7 into or something like that. It's something around there. It could be as much as 10, honestly, but I counter offered with 120, so that should be awesome. More bags, $2 happening right here. I mean, I just sent the offer right there. So I kind of did the counter offer. I could have taken the $100. The bag's listed at like 150. So see if I can get 120 out of it. It's not a huge deal. He might counter at like 110, and I'll just say yes. So it's not a big deal. The good thing is I have all these big boxes at home. Like if I wanted to ship one of these things off. FedEx, typically for me in Austin, Texas, middle of the country, a 3-day rate's pretty reasonable. Or the other one, the Smart Post, is that what it's called?
I didn't do much FedEx. like
2 to 7 one. That's what I have, 2 to 7
I would
day.
normally
So
just do ground.
I would do it, yeah, FedEx ground. It's called like Smart Post, I think. All right, so man, that's a tough call. I'm gonna take the next 2 hours to think about it. That bike is super awesome though. Oh, it's so tough. It's a hard call to make. I think I'm gonna do it. I really do, but I have to make 100% sure that that's what I want. So for you guys out there, I never get kind of worried with like 50 bucks or 100 bucks or even 500 bucks or something like that. If something starts crossing the $1,000 marks, it's like I'm not worried, but I'm like, dude, it's just, you know, it's a fair amount of money, and there's no warranty on that carbon frame or anything like that. You know, like I would be the second owner. It's impeccable. The condition is so good, right?
Yeah, it's really, really good.
I mean, I don't even think this kid ever laid it down. So that's the part that's like, oh, you should go buy it. Anyway, so in mountain bike talk, I think it's gonna be a decent bike. What I'm thinking in my head as a hustler is, can I sell this bike in a year for what I paid for it today, or even in 2 years for maybe 200 less than what I paid for it today? That's what's going on in my head. And essentially I could ride 2 years, you know, for $100 a year, which is an incredible deal when you deal with actual like pro grade like mountain biking equipment. So that's what's going on in my head, and that's what I naturally think, because the worst thing is to be stuck with something, you use it and then you sell it for like incredibly less than what you paid for it, which sucks. We're here at the Lake Austin Goodwill. We're gonna make some cheddar. We're gonna keep this cheddar day going.
Yeah, we need to.
Imani and I were talking, like in worst case scenario, we're looking at probably like $400 profit so far. So definitely a TLP. We're at TLP. We gotta make some more money here. What is this? Oh, sweet.
20?
20? I think we should definitely look at this. Dude, do you want to do this in the cul-de-sac? I thought about getting this the other day.
What is it? That's just water?
Yeah, and it comes down in a helicopter mode. Do you want to do it? You think we'll lose it on day one? It'll probably go 300 feet in the air, my guess.
You think we'll lose it?
I think we'll probably lose it.
If you're questioning it, that means that we will. But how long will it take for us to lose it?
Alright, so I've put a battery to test here in the thrift store, and we'll see if it's working. I'm going to Amazon, this camera right here. It's got a 23,000 ranking camera. It's not too bad. It'll work. Ooh, oh yeah, it did work. So let me set the time, whatever, okay. Memory card, good. Now that didn't open, which is kind of interesting. Yeah, it's not working. Huh, well, that's interesting. I'm glad I did this here. Am I missing something?
No.
No, it should pop right open. All right, so that was a good thing to do then. Awesome.
Goodbye.
All right, so from the Goodwill, 20 out the door. This will be about 100 bucks on eBay. These are KLR, basically Kawasaki saddlebags for a motorcycle. Pretty nice, great condition. The thing is, these are in bags to bucks too. Not that actual model, but things like that are in bags to bucks. All right, let's go to the next place. All right, so we're gonna eat here at Whole Foods Market. This is a really big one on 6th Street in Austin, Texas. It is a giant Whole Foods. So we're gonna go in here, get some food.
And that's how it is.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's where you're ignored.
Look at that chopped beef sandwich. Oh my gosh. I got some brisket, some tortilla soup. We're about to eat. This is our TLP of the day right here. Fatty brisket. And Imani's doing the chopped beef. Did you guys eat this? Did you eat that? Look at that thing. All right, Goodwill Boutique. We're done with our food. One last cheddar stop. Man, they got a bazillion shoes here. Reebok pumps down here in really good condition, but I think these are like really cheap. Size 12. These are mint. I'll check them out. Maybe those are worth it. I doubt those are worth it. They're $25 too, which is like super tax. If I recall correctly, I think those were at the outlet stores for like 50 bucks, so they're probably not worth it.
I respect this.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, dude. I'm gonna have some fun with it.
I'll see you on the trails.
Oh man, my heart is beating, and I don't like spending, you know, money like that. I just don't. It doesn't feel good to me, but at least it's something that I really, really enjoy. Like, I love mountain biking so much to where I guess I could justify that. I don't know. But yeah, you know, I like the sport enough to where it makes sense. The good thing is, you know, saving up really does pay off. It's just Craigslist money, you know. I put it away slowly, every single flip. Every single super chat I ever got, I put it away. And that's what comes from it, you know. But yeah, thankfully I'm not like a hardcore off-roader. I'm not a racing kind of guy, because those things can really start costing a lot of money. So, you know, this is, to me, probably a medium grade hobby when it comes to actually spending money on it in comparison to other things that I might have chosen to spend money on. So I like, and it keeps me active too, which is really, really good. And it gets me outdoors in the connection with Mother Nature. So that's how I kind of justify something like this. Plus, if everything goes right, I'll be able to sell this bike in 2 years for around $2,000. So that should be good. All right, so I'm back at the Hustler Casa, feeling better about the bike purchase. I actually sold my other mountain bike while this break occurred here in the filming. I took a loss on it, but I also bought it like 6 years ago, something like that. So anyways, not a big deal. But the real winning thing here, and I want to close the video out with this, is the fact that last week I found a Sirius satellite thing that didn't have an antenna. I suspected that it would have a perpetual or a lifetime subscription to it after watching College Picker's video on a neat hack that you can do when you find these things. So I was like, you know what, maybe this has a Sirius satellite lifetime subscription. So I just plugged it in this morning. Check it out. Boom! There it is, and it's working. We're playing some Weezer Africa, and it's on channel 36 right there, Alt Nation. You got all the channels on there, free satellite, what, indefinitely for life, unless some sort of like crazy kill block signal comes through. But anyways, that's pretty awesome. I might decide to move it now. You know, it works, and you know, it's a boombox. But I don't know, we'll see. I have satellite in my vehicle, and I like it a lot, especially for road trips. It's like really awesome to have. But that's a neat hack, so go check out College Picker's video on the Sirius Satellite XM like hack thing that he did, and that's how I learned it. And I watched that video maybe 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and I finally found one. He's been searching for like 5 years for one. I found one on my first run at this thing. It was crazy. And here it is, just chilling. I can't believe it. Guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you had fun. Hit me with a like. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler Hotshot. Take it easy. Goodbye!